In the rain-soaked streets of Zurich, Elias Vaughan hurried through the narrow alleys. His footsteps echoed off centuries-old stone walls, a rhythm of anticipation and fear. The encrypted DNA disk nestled in his pocket. It was his ticket to immortality, but also his pact with darkness. Elias knew that chrono-elixir was derived from Turritopsis dohrnii, but his journey took another turn when he started deciphering the DNA disk. There was no technology where humans could store data in DNA, let alone decipher it. But he didn't lose hope because, after all, he was a student of Dr. Sylas. Vaughan's eyes burned, his mind unraveling, the jellyfish's pulsations synchronized with his heartbeat, and then, in a moment of clarity, he saw it, the missing piece. The DNA disk wasn't a lock, it was a bridge. The core sequence wasn't about clinging to youth, it was about metamorphosis. Many years passed, and he wasn't able to decipher the exact code of chrono-elixir. But Dr. Sylas's many discoveries led him to fund Metamorphosis, a biotech empire fueled by the Turritopsis dohrnii researches done by Dr. Sylas. The world marveled as diseases started to disappear and life expectancy soared. Vaughan became a multi-billionaire, the face of hope and controversy. Critics called him a modern Faust, playing God with human cells. But there was a catch. Most of his discoveries were very expensive, so he started selling his discovery, which was supposed to help humanity, to the people who could afford it. Dr. Sylas had foreseen the possibility of his work falling into the wrong hands. He had encrypted his life's work with a cipher so intricate that it was intertwined with the very fabric of his DNA. Cracking the code would require not just scientific prowess, but an understanding of Dr. Sylas himself. As Dr. Sylas retreated from the world, humanity grappled with the stolen secrets. Generations of cryptographers, scientists, and historians labored to decipher the chrono-elixir's formula. It became a legend, the puzzle of the immortal alchemist. Nearly 2 millennia passed before the code was finally cracked. It was Vaughan's own descendants who unraveled the mystery, their company now a colossal conglomerate known as Vaughan Biotech. They had inherited not just Vaughan's intellect, but his unyielding ambition. Vaughan Biotech unveiled the Chronovap, a sleek device that diffused a vaporized form of the chrono-elixir. The rich and powerful clamored for it, the allure of eternal youth too tempting to resist. The Chronovap became a status symbol, a testament to one's wealth and influence. The secret to the Chronovap's success lay in the refill bottles, each containing a concentrated dose of the serum vapor. These bottles were sold at exorbitant prices.